Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you the new items I got from Kreg. So I have 2 boxes from Kreg. I'm right now opening up the first box. I will be posting a link to in the description of all the items that I received. So the first item we have right here is the Kreg K5. This is the master system to do pocket holes. I will be using this a lot to put together tables and other furniture. I've used this in school a lot, so I decided to get it. I love using this in school, and I will be showing you how to use it in a later video. This is the second box that I have. So in here I have the AccuCut Rip Cut. And I also have a project kit for screws. So the project kit for screws are different sizes to put into your pocket holes. It is a great item to have. I also have the AccuCut Rip Cut combo. The AccuCut can help you just set it up and then you just cut with your circular saw along. While the AccuCut, you just decide what width you want for your cut, and you just lock it in place and then it goes along with you. So on the AccuCut, you actually could go 50 inches, you can slide with it. Like if it would slide towards the camera. While with the Rip Cut, it can only move left and right. The whole thing moves together, while with the AccuCut, it's just a saw that's moving. The track is locked in place. I will be using this a lot. It's great with plywood, MDF, and other big pieces of wood. I will be assembling everything in this video, posting the links and everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Chop that subscribe button, hammer that like button, and mark up the comment section.